Right, this video tells you how to multiply and divide fractions. We'll deal with the easiest one first. We'll look at multiplying fractions. So in this example, I've got 3/4 times 2/3. Now what makes multiplying fractions so simple is that you deal with the numerators first. So it's going to be 3 times 2, which is 6. And then we deal with the denominators, 4 times 3, which is 12. And there's your answer, 6/12. But for a bonus mark, often in an exam, you'll need to simplify this. So what number, or what's the biggest number that goes into both 6 and 12? Which times table have you seen both of those numbers in? And 6 goes into both of them. 6 goes into 6 once, and 6 goes into 12 twice. And there is your answer. And now the final part of this quick revision video is with regard to dividing fractions. So let's do a similar sort of question. 3/4 divided by 1/5. Now there's something that I use and it's called KFC. And looking at the K, this means that we're going to keep the first fraction as it is. So let's just write that back down again, 3/4. Now the F means that we're going to flip this second fraction. So we're going to write what's called the reciprocal of it. So instead of 1/5, we flip it over and it becomes 5/1. And then finally, the C means that we're going to change something, and we're going to change the divide into a times. Now luckily we have just covered a multiplication of a fraction. We now know what to do. So 3 times 5 is 15 and 4 times 1 is 4, and that is the final answer because that will not simplify any further.